My name is Dick Cicchini. I will be one of the presenters. We also we have Tony Hackett from Amatus, and he'll be going over their product and some of the neat features that it has, and a general overview of what the different items are as they pertain to the market. I will follow afterwards with more of a hardware overview of our products and how they can be used in conjunction with the Amatus software. So with that, I am going to go ahead and turn it over to Tony and let him run the first part of the show.
Great. Thank you very much, Dick. I appreciate it. So my name is Tony Hackett. I work for a company called Imetis, and we make a software product called Symphony. And the reason why we call it Symphony is we take all the ecosystem of your security infrastructure and create harmony within the deployment. So we're taking your video cameras, whether they be analog or IP, your servers, access control, other items that could be on the network such as HVAC, lights, alarms, so on and so forth, and bringing it into a centralized management solution that allows you to command and control to a greater degree than our competition. We call it integrated intelligent video management. It's a combination of a couple things. First, it's integrated video management, meaning that you have a single interface that allows you to view an unlimited number of cameras, record, a mapping feature which is interactive. It'll show you where there's activities throughout the map, and you can click on those or control cameras or see access control readers, visually see names of people swiping cards. It's infinitely hyperlinkable. In other words, you could have a map of a city, click on a building, click on a floor, and see the cameras on that particular floor. We're also doing analyzing at the same time, whether you're using a camera's video motion detection, our own video motion detection, or video analytics, which I'll talk about in just a second, and alarm management and reports. So we're taking in all the alarms, and we're able to provide not only a management tool to handle all the alarms, but also reporting to show you how active certain areas are, where maybe alarms are being missed, and a reporting mechanism that allows you to communicate the types of alarms that you're receiving in a very visual, easy-to-use, friendly format. We're the only software in the world that's both a video management tool and video analytics all in a single software platform. So because we have analytics built into the system, it's deeply integrated into what we call video management. And with these video analytics, you can create rules or policies that would alert you in real time to things such as perimeter breaching, people or vehicles in restricted areas, dwell times, loitering times, illegal parking, object removed, object left behind, people counting, people density or image density. So it's a full-featured video analytics solution that's tucked inside of a robust video management solution. First thing I'd like to do is just kind of point out a little bit of misconception about video motion detection and video analytics. It's often that I hear customers and end users talk about how they're looking for analytics, or they've been shown analytics, and what they've really seen is something called video motion detection. And that's just really just analyzing the scene change using pixel change. And if you look at the two screenshots below, the one on the left is a video motion camera that is alarming or showing motion on the tree. Video analytics goes a little bit further than video motion detection, where it actually looks at the foreground and the movement, and from a computer standpoint, determines if the activity is significant enough and classifies people, vehicles, and based on this classification of people and vehicles, you can create rules or policies that help either abstract business intelligence or alert in real time to people or vehicles doing things that could be suspect. On the bright side, we have the same exact image, but in this case, even though the tree is moving, there's no false alarm going on. If you think about all the ecosystem, all the things that come into play when a surveillance project is deployed, you have things such as the services, the installation, the cabling, all the power that's required, the network routers and switches, the storage, the servers, the cameras. That is a big chunk of the pie in terms of all the infrastructure that's required, all the capital that's required to put this in place, and you still haven't provided a solution to do something. That would be the VMS solution, of course. And the VMS solution is simply just recording and storing all that video. The analytics, which represents a very small portion of the cost, is where we see the information being created, where you can do things with that video that you never thought possible before. You can extract useful information or be alerted in real time to significant events and activities. So when you think about the entire ecosystem, think about how much work and infrastructure is going in, and yet what value is being created at the end of the day for your customers. And consider using iMetis, obviously, to do more than just record and store video.